Hi, hello, my name is Novita Sari. I'm the co-author of the paper, and the title of this paper is The Effect of Chopping Raw Material on Composting Result with the Biopore Infiltration Hole Method. So, let's get started. Organic waste has the most significant percentage of wool waste production in Indonesia. Based on data from the Ministry of Environmental 2018, 57% of total waste is organic waste. The amount of organic waste that can be processed is only 14%, and 66% ends up in the landfill, while the rest are in the environment and cannot be handled. Biodegradable organic waste can cause the environment be polluted and odor. The most widely used biodegradable organic waste processing is composting. Composting is a natural process of the composition of organic material or the composition by microorganisms and biodegradable organic material. This research expected result is that there is a recommendation for waste treatment before the composting process. The quality and quantity of compost can be improved and the composting time can be shortened. Research preparation. The preparation for this research were 1. Choosing the composting location. The composting process was located in the yard or garden, and soil type and water infiltration rate were tested to support the data analysis. 2. Preparation of compost raw material. The waste used in this research was domestic organic waste, which was food waste and yard waste. 3. Determination of research variation. This research was to analyze the effect of chopping raw material on compost that might use biopore infiltration hole method. 4. The biopore hole digging. The hole were made using biopore hole drill. It was made with 10 cm of diameter, 100 cm of depth, and the distance between holes are 50 cm. Water infiltration rate and soil type test. Testing the water infiltration rate was done by inserting water until it was full into the biopore hole and leaving it for 24 hours. Then, the measurements were taken with a ruler so that the water infiltration rate was 0.3 cm per hour. And the soil type was obtained from research is clay loam. The main research. The steps for the main research were 1. Waste analysis. Before the composting process, some analysis was done, include temperature analysis, pH, water content, and the C per N ratio. The step was done to determine if the waste had met the standard for composting or not. Next, inserting compost into the biopore hole. The next step was putting the waste into the biopore hole according to each variation. Afterwards, the hole were closed with PVC to strengthen the hole so as not to slide and prevent animal or unwanted object from entering the hole. Compost maturity test. The observation of compost maturity was done every day for temperature, pH, compost volume reduction rate, humidity, color, texture, and odor. According to National Standard Agency or SNI 2004 about compost specification from organic domestic waste. Compost removal. When the compost was ripe, the compost is removed from the hole. Afterwards, compost was dry in the shed or a place that was not exposed to direct sunlight. Compost quality test. Compost quality was tested based on National Standard Agency 2004 or SNI about compost and domestic organic waste. Parameters that were tested are physical elements like water content, temperature, pH, color, and other, and macro elements like carbon, nitrogen, C/N ratio, phosphorus, and kalium. And the last, compost quantity test. The compost quantity test was done with weighing the solid compost produced from each variation. Data processing and analysis. 1. Analysis of compost maturity, quality, and quantity was done by comparing the data with the standard. The determining the optimal composting variation. Criterion 1. Score 1 was given to the variation that satisfies the standard. Criterion 2. Score 0 was given the variation that does not satisfy the standard. Criterion 3. This was for the parameter which has no standard. The maximum score 4 was given the best variation and the minimum score 1 was given the variation not right. Result and discussion. Environmental condition. The environmental condition could affect the composting process. Before starting the composting, it was important to check and analyze the composting place condition. Soil texture and water infiltration rate could affect the composting process in biopore infiltration hole. The rain intensity could also affect biopore infiltration hole because of infiltration hole made on open land, which was directly exposed to rainwater. Raw material analysis. The raw material analysis was done to know if the raw material has qualified as compost material depends on the standard. The parameter that was analyzed include temperature, pH, humidity, and C/N ratio. The research show that all parameter has met the standard so that the raw material can use for compost. Maturity analysis. During the composting process, the maturity observation was done every day until the compost was ripe. The parameters that measure were temperature, pH, reduction rate, humidity, texture and color, odor, and composting time. Because the research was done in Duvpo, the analysis results were average for each. All the composting variation has met the maturity standard. Chopping made the size of raw material smaller and even, making it easier for the decomposition process. Quality analysis. The compost quality tested after the compost was ripe and after it was dry and sifted. The parameter for this quality analysis was physical elements and macro elements. All the variation has met the standard. There was no significant effect between the chopped waste with the unchopped waste in the final result. Next, quantity analysis. The compost quantity was affected by the type and composition of raw material. Selection of the best variation. The selection of the best compost variation was done by scoring method. It was include the maturity analysis, quantity, and quality analysis. Based on the scoring criteria that explained in the methodology, the variation with the highest score was variation 2 with 50% chopped food waste and 50% chopped yard waste. Quality and quantity on variation 2 has met the standard. Afterwards, the composting time shorter than the other variation with 60 days of composting. Recommendation. The result of this research showed that the biopore infiltration composting needs 65 until 80 days of composting. It was caused by the rain that happened during the composting process. So, it could recommend that if wanted a faster composting process, so the composting could do in the dry season. In the dry season, rain intensity lower than the rainy season. So, the hole was not often water washed and the compost will arrive faster. Conclusion. The conclusion of this research were 1. The result of compost maturity and quality for all variation has met the standard. 2. Chopping and raw material affected composting time and compost quantity. 3. The scoring result for maturity, quality, and compost quantity show the optimum variation for composting is 50% tube food waste and 50% tube yard waste. So, this is the end of our presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. See you again.